Welcome to this video on Agile Ceremonies in Action, Product Backlog Refinement. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the significance of product backlog refinement and identify the fundamental parts of product backlog refinement. Agile ceremonies are a vital component of the Scrum process. They enable the Scrum team to stay focused on the vision and strategy behind the products they deliver while fostering continuous improvement of Agile practices within the organization. These ceremonies ensure that the product backlog remains aligned with the evolving needs of stakeholders. Product backlog refinement allows the Scrum team to review, clarify, and adjust user stories, ensuring they are well prepared for upcoming sprints. Let's dive deeper to understand the importance of product backlog refinement in Scrum. Product backlog refinement brings clarity and understanding, helps prioritize, enables preparation, and promotes efficiency. The continued and ongoing refinement of the product backlog supports the shared understanding of backlog items and gets the entire Scrum team on the same page. Product backlog refinement allows the product owner to prioritize items based on value, risk, and dependencies. The ongoing refinement allows the development team to create the sprint goal and develop plans for the tasks and increments of each sprint during sprint planning. By maintaining well-defined and prioritized backlog items, the Scrum team can more efficiently plan, develop, and deliver products and increments that deliver value to the customers, end users, and key stakeholders. Let's understand the who, what, when, and how of product backlog refinement. The who involves the product owner, the development team, and the Scrum Master. The product owner is responsible for leading the refinement process, clarifying backlog items, and prioritizing based on business value. They answer any questions the development team might have. The product owner ensures that the items align with the product vision and current requirements communicated by the key stakeholders. The product owner works with the Scrum Master to help resolve any obstacles or issues. The development team provides technical expertise focused on feasibility, technical dependencies, implementation approaches, and estimated effort required. The Scrum Master also facilitates refinement sessions to drive productivity and adherence to Agile principles. They help resolve obstacles and issues that may arise during the product backlog refinement meeting. The what of product backlog refinement constitutes the workflow or agenda. This workflow includes reviewing backlog items from highest to lowest priority. Clarifying details, the product owner provides additional details and clarifications for each item. Then, there is discussion and feedback. The team focuses on each item to gain clarity, provide feedback, raise any potential issues, and identify dependencies, technical and precedents. Then comes estimation. The team estimates the effort required to develop each item. After estimation, the product owner adjusts the priority of items based on the discussion and estimates. Any items determined to be too large or complex are split into smaller, more manageable pieces. Finally, the team walks through the changed items to determine if they meet the definition of ready criteria. This ensures that the items are ready to be added to future sprints when appropriate. The when of product backlog refinement comprises the frequency and the meeting length. The frequency is determined by the amount of change driven by the key stakeholders. In most Scrum efforts, it occurs once or twice weekly. Although product backlog refinement meetings are not time-boxed, the product owner and Scrum Master work toward having 60 to 90-minute sessions. The actual duration is driven by the number of items that need to be added or refined. It is noteworthy that the desired length helps determine the frequency. For example, in weeks when fewer requirements are added or changed, fewer and shorter product backlog refinement meetings are needed. Let's move on to the how of product backlog refinement. It includes detailed discussions, requirement clarification, feasibility assessment, and effort estimation. The Scrum team works together to conduct in-depth discussions focused on driving clarity and understanding of each backlog item. The product owner works to provide any and all information and input from the key stakeholders to remove any ambiguity and answer any questions the development team may have. The development team evaluates the feasibility of each item through consideration of technical and precedent dependencies. Sometimes, the expertise of the team is also considered in this assessment. The team continuously reviews each item to determine the effort required to develop it. This estimation often improves, less effort required, as the team learns from sprint to sprint. These estimates help right-size the sprint goal and sprint planning for each sprint. In this video, you learned that product backlog refinement ensures the backlog remains synchronized with evolving stakeholder requirements. The product owner leads the refinement process, ensuring clarity, prioritization, and alignment with the product vision. The Scrum team collaborates to review, clarify, estimate, prioritize, and ensure items meet the definition of ready. Regular refinement sessions, typically held once or twice per week, help maintain an efficient and prioritized backlog. The Scrum Master facilitates the refinement process, helping the team stay focused and resolve obstacles during discussions.